Many restaurants in the U.S. have been hard hit by the coronavirus pandemic. Thousands may be forced to shut their doors for good if the situation doesn't improve. They're calling on the federal government to do more to help them survive. And Ira Spitzer reports from Oakland, California.
Cooking up one of their signature beef tongue burgers. But it's been a long time, 4 months and counting, since customers at this Oakland eatery were able to actually enjoy it on the premises.
We've been exclusively doing takeout and delivery service, so our revenues are down 50% or more.
California authorities have shut down indoor dining across much of the state as they continue to battle the coronavirus pandemic. Before the pandemic hit, Hopscotch was known for its fresh seafood and other higher-end dishes. But now they've had to revamp their menu, focusing on food that travels well for delivery or pickup. Across the U.S., restaurants have been devastated. While many accessed available funds as part of federal stimulus programs, those have largely been spent as the pandemic drags on and winter approaches. The National Bureau of Economic Research predicts as many as 85% of restaurants will close if things continue like this just a few months longer.
Without your help, our favorite places to eat will be gone.
Many restaurateurs are pinning their hopes on federal assistance in the form of a bill in the U.S. Congress called the Restaurants Act. Its sponsors say it will allow around 500,000 restaurants to pay things like their backlogged bills, rent, and taxes.
The ask is for $120 billion for independently owned, non-public, 20 units or less, injection in terms of a grant.
The Restaurants Act has bipartisan support from about a third of the U.S. Congress, but the latest federal stimulus talks have stalled along partisan lines. If no help comes, many fear that cities like Oakland could change forever.
We're really known for our independent spirit, a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of artists and creatives, and I think that our business will really be decimated and it will affect the culture really heavily.
The Restaurants Act could yet pass even before another stimulus if more lawmakers sign on. For many restaurants, though, time is running out. Ira Spitzer, CNA, Oakland, California.